Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Group Vehicle Showcase. Today we're showcasing this Toyota CHR design in black on a 2019 plate. Lovely cars these, hybrid electric, automatic. You can look at combined around 61.9 miles to the gallon, which is fantastic, obviously being a hybrid. You've got alloy wheels, it's a 5-door, really nice diamond cut alloy wheels as well, as you can see there. It's got parking sensors, this car, and a reverse parking camera. Really generous sized boot in these with rear folding seats as well. Again, as we look in the back, acres of space, really nice leather seat in there. You've got cup holders in the doors, and it's electric windows, front and rear. Again, acres of space in the front, as you can see. Really nice, comfortable, fully adjustable sport style seats there. Very popular cars at the moment, these. We do get a few through. It's got front parking sensors as well. And they don't tend to hang around for very long, if I'm totally honest. As you can see there, you've got a multifunction steering wheel, and this car has done 72,369 miles. The car is keyless entry as well, and push button start. So we'll just start her up. The car is started, obviously the engine hasn't kicked in yet because it's fully electric, with the petrol engine only kicking in as and when it needs to. As you can see, you've got an armrest which lifts up to reveal additional space. You've got a cup holder there and there, and you've also got your automatic gearbox. Moving up into your climate control, which has got heated seats, lovely for the winter that. Then up into your digital display, which has got built-in satellite navigation. Just so many great options with this car. Obviously Bluetooth, connectivity for your mobile phone, and DAB radio of course. Go into there. Just lovely, lovely cars these. Oh, there we go. All fully adjustable from here as well, so we can knock the volume down there. Put the car into reverse. As you can see there, you've got your reverse camera, as well as your front and rear parking sensors that display in the centre of the screen. Really lovely this, lovely, lovely condition. Lots to like about this car. Very spacious, would be ideal for a family. So if you'd like any more information about this vehicle, or any of our other vehicles here at Roxburghe, you can always visit our website or just give us a call today. Thank you.